Oh, it's 16 degrees right now, and the wind chill is 2. Usually come down the stairs, but I'm a fall risk, and those are icy. So, long way around through the garage. And somebody is up there not very happy with me, I don't think. Oh, I'm here. Just hold on. Ah, they're demanding. But, oh, there's still, there's birdseed in there because I guess I made sure the birds have stuff too. Whoops. Okay. Come and get it. So, it's supposed to be a little warmer tomorrow. I have appointments, so it needs to be. But, I'll go back inside and watch. Let's see, where are you? I don't know, my fingers are frozen. I'll just go in and watch from the door. Anyway, happy Monday, I guess. Last Monday of the year. And stay warm.